Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about Sainsbury's bank credit cards. Now, just a heads up, as of October 2025, Sainsbury's bank no longer takes new credit card applications. But if you already have a card, here's what's happening and how you can manage it. So when you go to the Sainsbury's bank website and scroll down to our products, you will then be able to see the option for credit cards. But once you click on it, it will then show you a message showing that NatWest now owns certain accounts. So basically, if your card has been moved over, you need to manage it through NatWest going forward. So if your account has already transferred, NatWest will then guide you through setting up online banking so you can check your balance, make payments and manage your card just like you did before. Only now it's through NatWest and not Sainsbury. And if your card hasn't moved yet, you can still find support on the Sainsbury's bank account help page. And for any issues, NatWest has a support line and online resources to help with questions or problems, so things like reporting a lost card or understanding your new online login. So that's really it. So you really can't get a new Sainsbury's credit card anymore, but if you already have one, everything's moving over to NatWest and they make it pretty easy to keep using your card online. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.